In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a personal PayPal account to a business account. If you're ready to upgrade your account for business use, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments to begin. A business account can be helpful if you want to accept payments under a business name, separate personal and business activity more clearly, or access business-related features inside PayPal. To get started, log into your PayPal account. Once you're on the main account page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This will take you into your settings area where you can manage important account options. After that, go to the account section. This is where PayPal shows the details connected to your current account type and other profile settings. Take a moment to look through the page so you can confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Here you should see an option that says Upgrade to Business Account. When you find it, click on it to begin the upgrade process. This option is usually easy to spot in the account settings area, but if the layout looks slightly different, just stay within the account-related settings and look for the upgrade wording. Once you click that option, PayPal will guide you through the upgrade process step by step. You'll be asked to provide your business information, so make sure you enter everything carefully and accurately. Depending on your situation, this may include details such as your business name, business type, and other related information requested by PayPal. It's a good idea to review everything before submitting, since accurate details can help avoid issues later. As you move through the setup, just follow the on-screen instructions until the process is complete. PayPal typically makes this straightforward so you can continue one screen at a time without rushing. If you're unsure about any field, read the description on the page carefully before entering your information. And that's it. Once you finish the upgrade, your personal PayPal account will be converted into a business account. After that, you can start exploring the additional business features available to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the upgrade quickly and easily.